today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a banner in Canva in just 15 minutes or less. Whether you're looking to promote something special, enhance your social media, or simply want a professional looking banner without hiring a designer, Canva makes the process incredibly simple. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to craft a stunning banner that looks polished and eye-catching. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Canva is a fantastic online platform for creating all kinds of visuals, from presentations to social media graphics, and of course, banners. Once you're on the homepage, click on the search bar at the top and type banner. You'll immediately see a wide selection of banner templates designed by professionals. These templates cover a range of styles, from modern business layouts to vibrant creative designs. Take a few moments to browse through them and select one that fits your theme or brand. Choosing a suitable template can save you time and help maintain visual consistency. Once you've found the perfect template, click Customize this template. This will open Canva's design editor, where you can begin personalizing the banner to suit your needs. The editor is user-friendly and works with simple drag and drop controls, so even beginners can create professional designs easily. Now it's time to customize your banner. Start by updating the text. Replace the placeholder content with your own words. Use bold, clear fonts for headings and ensure the text color complements the background. Next, adjust the colors to match your branding or the tone you want to convey. Canva lets you change any color with just a few clicks. If you want to make your banner more unique, add graphics, icons, or images. You can upload your own visuals or explore Canva's massive library of free and premium elements. Try using the Magic Media feature to generate AI-based visuals that enhance your design creatively. As you edit, use the alignment guides to keep everything neat and professional. When you're happy with your design, click the preview button to see how your banner will appear once published. If you notice anything off, go back and tweak until it's perfect. Once you're satisfied, it's time to download your banner. Click the download button in the upper right corner and choose your preferred file type, PNG for online use or PDF for print materials. Canva also allows you to export in other formats depending on your purpose. And that's it. You've successfully created a beautiful, customized banner in Canva in less than 15 minutes. With this skill, you can design banners for any event, business, or platform without needing advanced design knowledge. Thanks for watching and happy designing with Canva.